Hello students, how are you? So now we are going to start the new chapter, that is construction of quadrilaterals, right? So in this part we have to construct 5 types of quadrilaterals. First one is when 4 sides and a diagonal is given, right? First one is when 4 sides and a diagonal is given, right? Second, and in second, when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, right? And third part, when 3 sides and 2 interior angles are given, and fourth part, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, and the last part is when 4 sides and an angle is given. When 4 sides and an angle is given. Right? So these 5 types of quadrilateral we have to construct by the using of compass and a protractor. Right? The basic things mean a pencil and the scale, eraser, it is also required. So now we are going to discuss these things on the basis of the exercise, right? So we are going to discuss exercise 17A, right? So in exercise 17A, first question is saying you have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is given as 4.2 centimeter, BC is given as 6 centimeter, CD is given as 5.2 centimeter, DA is given as 5 centimeter, and AC is given as 8 centimeter, right? So for if you are going to construct any quadrilateral, what you have to understand is first draw the sketch diagram, right? First draw the sketch diagram or rough diagram, you can say. So AB, if means quadrilateral is a 4-sided closed figure. This is AB. If you suppose the length of AB is 4.2 centimeter, it is given. Then BC, right? You know the quadrilateral is of this type. So ABCD is given. So if we construct a quadrilateral, simply A, B, C and D, and a diagonal AC is given this, right? So length of AB is 4.2 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeters, CD is 5.2 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter, right? So this is the rough diagram. So for the construction of actual diagram, by the use of the scale, just draw a line, right? Suppose this is a line which is, if this line is AB, which is 4.2 centimeter long, right? Now take the compass and measure the length 8 centimeter, right? On the scale, measure the length 8 centimeter. Take A as a center. Take A as a center, right? And draw an arc just above the B, right? Suppose this is the arc by taking A as a center, right? So we draw an arc. Now come to point B. Just take the length 6 centimeter from the compass, right? And while taking point B as a center, draw an arc, right? So this point of intersection of two arcs gives point C, right? This is point C. So now just join them. Just join B to C and join A to C. Now you have to draw point D. Take the compass once again and point E as a center. We're taking the distance 5 centimeter, right? And draw an arc. Suppose this is the arc, right? And now just take the center C, means take the point C as a center, take the distance 5.2 centimeter and draw an arc. Draw an arc, right? So this point means the intersection of two arcs, the point D. This is point D. Join D to A and join D to C. So this is the way you can construct the quadrilateral, right? Now come to question number 2. In this question, construct a quadrilateral PQRS. In this question also, 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. So this question is also same as question number 1, right? The name is changed only. The name they have taken as PQRS, right? The 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. So by the same way, likewise, just you have construct the quadrilateral in question number 1. Just construct it. PQ, QR, RS and SP. Yes, 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. Now come to question number 3. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD. AB, BC, CD, DA is given and 1 diagonal is also given, right? So this question is also same as question number 1. Now come to question number 4. Here 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. AB is given, BC is given, AD is given, and now 2 diagonals are given. So question number 4, AB, BC, CD, I think. AB, BC and AD is given. So AD is given. So length of AB, length of side AB is 3.6 centimeter. And length of side BC is 3.3 centimeter. Length of side AD is 2.7 centimeter. Right, diagonal AC is given AC is given as 4.6 centimeter and BD is given as 4 centimeter. So here length of 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. So just make a rough diagram, right? Suppose this is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. This is AC and this is BD. So AB is given as 3.6, BC is given at 3.3, DA is given as, or AD is given at 2.7. Length of BD is 4 centimeter and this AC is 4.6 centimeter, right? The length of DC is not given. So for this, just draw a line AB, right? Suppose this is line AB, which is 3.6 centimeter. So now what you have to do is just take point A as a center and just take the distance of 4.6 centimeter, right? Use the compass, take A as a center, right? And take the distance 4.6 centimeter and draw an arc. Suppose this is the arc while taking the center as A. Now we are going to take B as a center and take the distance 3.3 centimeter and draw an arc, right? So this point of intersection of two arcs give the point C. Now again take A as a center and take the distance 2.7 centimeter and draw an arc, right? And now take B as a center once again and take the distance 4 centimeter and draw an arc, right? So this point of intersection of two arcs gives the point D. Now join them. D to A, D to B, D to C, and A to C and C to B, right? So this is the required diagram of question number 4. Means you have constructed something like this type of diagram. Now come to question number 5. In question number 5, length of, you have to construct a quadrilateral PQRS where QR is given as 7.5, PR and TS they are equal 6 centimeter, RS is 5 centimeter and QS is given as 10 centimeter. You have to measure the fourth side. So look, in this question, you have to construct a quadrilateral which is PQRS. Suppose this is a quadrilateral PQRS, right? And in this QR is given as 7.5 centimeter. PR and TS they are of same length, right? So they are of same length, that is 6 centimeter. Now RS is 5 centimeter, PR is this, 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. And QS is also given, the second quadrilateral length is also given, that is 10 centimeter. this is given as 10 centimeter, right? You have to find it out the length of PQ. So now this length is not given, so we either you just rotate it, right, this, or you just take QR as a base or PS as a base, right? You can take PS as a base, so figure is just converted, means it is 90 degree, just rotate it 90 degree into anti-clockwise direction. So this point comes to here. So now suppose this side is here, so P S. This side is this 6. Just take the length 6 centimeter, right? Now from point P, from this point, take the compass, take the distance of 6 centimeter and draw an arc while P taking as a center above S. Draw an arc, right, of 6 centimeter. Now take S as a center and take the length 5 centimeter and draw an arc, right? So if you draw an arc, suppose this is the point, this is point R, right? So it means here this length is 5 centimeter and this length is 6 centimeter, right? So PSR we have construct. Now we have to construct for point Q. So for point Q, it is given, while if you take the distance from the compass is 7.5 centimeter, take the distance of 7.5 while using R as a center, just draw an arc, right, like this, and take S as a center and take the distance of 10 centimeter and just draw an arc, right? So at the intersection point you will get a point Q. Just join them as to Q. Right, and just R2Q and P2 Q, right? So RQ length is 7.5 centimeter, this length is 10 centimeter. Now use the scale, just measure this length, right? So question number 5 you can solve, it means you can construct this way. Now come to question number, now we are going to use means question number 7. In question number 6, length of 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. So just construct it by the same way as question number 5. Come to question number 6. Question number 6, AB, BC, CD, AD. 4 sides are given and 1 angle is given, right? So in question number 7, 4 sides are given and 1 angle is given. So just draw a rough diagram. Suppose This is A, B, C and D. AB is equal to BC, AB is equal to BC, 3.5, and AD is equal to CD, AD is equal to CD, which is 5.2. Angle ABC is given as 120 degrees. So for this, what you have to do, just draw a line which is 3.5 centimeter long. Name it as AB, right? Take point B and construct the angle while using the compass, right? Angles such as 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 105 degree, also 105 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, right? If these type of angles come, right, so you have to construct them by using the compass. Other angles if comes like 70 degree or 80 degree or 50 degree, right, or 40 degree angle, it comes, you have to use the protractor also. So now here the angle is 120 degree. Take point B as a center, take any arc, means any radius and the compass, and take B as a center, make the semicircle, right? This intersection point, from this intersection point at AB side, take as a center one arc, right? Draw one arc. This angle, now if you draw it, this is 60 degree. Now take this point as a center, draw another arc, right? So this arc means this point is 120 degrees. Draw a line Look, you have to construct angle at the point B. You know that while we are going to measure an angle, we are measuring in the anti-clockwise direction, right? This is the quadrant, right? We will measure the angle this way, anti-clockwise direction. But in this part, we are measuring the angle into clockwise direction. Why? Because we have taken B as a point, right? So we have to, you know that this is ABCD, so angle B measures this part. So it means we have to measure the angle into clockwise direction, right? So here B is given, above B it is point C, just measure the side, 3.5, BC is also 3.5, so take the length 3.5 and take B as a center and mark an arc, right? So this point is C. Now take the length of 5.2 centimeter from the compass, just draw 2 arc while using C and while using A as a center, and just join that D point to A and join D to C. So right, you will get the image which is like, means the dimensions are given. This is the constructed part, right? Now come to question number 8 and 9. They are also same, means in question number 9 the angle is given as 125 degree and one angle is C, 60 degree. So here 3 sides are given, 2 angles are given, right? So 3 sides are given and 2 angles are given. So look, construct a quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 2.9 centimeter. Now BC is 3.2 centimeter. CD is 2.7 centimeter. Right? AB is 3.5. BC is 5. CD is 4.6. Angle B is 125 degree. Angle C is 60 degrees. Right? The length of DA is not given. So what you have to do is just take BC as a baseline. So take BC as a baseline, draw 5 centimeter length line and take BC as a. At point C you have to make an angle 60 degree. Use the compass to make the angle of 60 degrees. Take any radius, draw a semicircle, right? And where that particular arc cut on line BC, just take that point as the center. Draw an arc also on the semicircle. This point of intersection gives the angle 60 degrees. Draw a line. Draw a straight line, right? So something like that. This is the line. Now BC. Above C you will get the point D. So take C as a center. Take the distance of 4.6 centimeter. Draw an arc here. This point is D. You will get the length of side CD. You know the length of side CD is 4.6 centimeter, right? So now make an angle of 125 degree at point B. Use the protractor, right? Draw an angle 125 degree. So here 90, somewhere like this, right? So this point is A. So here take the distance of 3.5 centimeter. Take 3.5 centimeter length on the compass. Take B as a center. Draw an arc, right? You will get the point A. This is 3.5 centimeter. Join point A and point D. This line is AD, right? This angle is 125 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. So this way you can do it, right? Okay. So 2-3 questions are also left. Question number 10 is also same. Question number 11. In question number 11, there are 3 angles are given, right? And in question number 13, 2 angles are given and 3 sides are given. AB, BC, AC is given. Okay, AD is given. A and C is given, means one diagonal is given. So length of 2 sides is given and one diagonal is given. 2 angles are given. So just construct them. If you face any problem, just let me know. We'll discuss it, right? And after that, in next video, we'll discuss the rest part, that is 17B. So till then, stay safe, stay at home, practice mathematics, right? And if you have any problem, just let me know. Thank you very much.